Hello students, now in this particular question we are going to find out by the grouping method. Okay. Now this is a discrete type of question. So in discrete type of question, what we have learned in the earlier video, I told you that the highest frequency, suppose here the highest frequency is 17, the value in front of it is 10. This value will be a mode. But here we cannot do like this. Why? Why we are going for this grouping method in this question? When we can say directly that highest frequency is 17, in front of it it is 10, this should be the mode because the maximum repeated number is here. So you cannot do it because here close number is given. See, 16 is also given over here. Okay, which is very close to 17. So that's why we are going to solve this question by grouping method. Okay, so let us start this type of question. How we should proceed now? First of all, we'll have to make some columns for it. Okay, we'll be making here total 6 columns. So basically, this one will be your first column. After that, we'll be making second column. Then, after this, we'll be making third column. Then, we'll be making fourth column. Then, fifth column will be there, and sixth column will be there. Okay. Now, what we are supposed to do? See, first of all, here we'll be grouping these frequencies. So, here onwards, we are going to make the first group of 2 to every time. So, 2 frequencies will be added here. Then again, the 2 will be added. Here again, the 2 will be added. Again 2, again 2, again 2, like this. Okay. Now we will be putting the total of these values over here. 8 and 3 will be 11, 10 and 12 will be 22, 16 and 14 will be 30. This will be 18, 17 and 5 is going to be 22, 4 and 1 is going to be 5. So what are we doing? We are making pairs. We are making pairs here of 2. So here I am writing, you will have to make 2 pairs of each. Then in the next step, you will be leave one and pairing of 2 will be done. Means here the first one we are going to leave. So the pairing will be made from here 8 and 10. Okay, 8 and 10. Then 12 and 16. Then 14 and 10. Then 8 and 17. Then 5 and 4. Now here 1 is left. Okay, this 1 is left. We cannot make a pair over here. So we leave it out. Okay, now let's do the total for this. These two numbers are 8 and 10. So it will be 18. Here after that it is 28. After that again it will be 24. This one here will be 25. This one here will be 9. Okay, so we have made pair of 2 to here. Now what we do in this whole column, we will be making pair of 3 3. We will be making pair of 3 3. Okay, then here what we are going to do? We are going to leave the first frequency and make pair of 3 3. And here we will leave two frequencies and 3 3 pair will be made. So here you don't have to leave anything, you will be making pair of 3 3 every time. Okay. So now pair of 3 means 3, 8 and 10. Okay. So it will be like this 3, 8 and 10. Okay. And 12, 16 and 14. Then 10, 8 and 17. Then 5, 4 and 1. It will be like this. Okay. Let us make it straight little bit. Yes. Now we'll add these values. So 18 and 3 will be 21. Okay. After this 12, 16. This value will be your 8 and 12. So it will be 2. 42 it will be. Okay. These three values. Then it will be 10, 18. So it will be 28, 28 and 7. It is going to be 35. Let us write 35 over here. Okay, after this 5, 4 and 1 it is going to be 10. Okay, so we are doing the total of this pair of 3 3. Now here we have to leave 1. So leave this 3 value out 8, 10 and 12. This will be added. So 8, 10 and then 12. So how much it will be? This is going to be 10 and 30. This is going to be 30. 8, 10 and 12. Then 16, 14 and 10. So 16, 14 and 10. Let us put it here only. 16, 14 and 10. What will be the value here? It will be around 30 and 40. 40 it will be. Okay. Now after this 16, 14 and 10, 8, 17 and 5. The three things 8, 17 and 5. So this will be 30. Okay. After this 4 and 1. Only two digits are left, so we cannot make a pair of 3. So we'll leave it out. इसको लीव कर देना. You'll have to leave out because there is a pair नहीं बन पाएगा. Okay. The thing is that. Now the last one you will have to leave 2. Leave 2. इन दोनों को छोड़ देना. ठीक है. और यहाँ से 3 3 के पैर बनाने. So leave 2. छोड़ के हम बना रहे 10, 12 and 16. Okay. Then 14, 10 and 8. Then 17, 5 and 4. Okay, we are leaving to 10, 12, 16. So 10 and 12, this is going to be your 8, 38. Okay, then after this 3 pair, this is the 3 next thing. So 14, 10, 24, 24 and 8 will be 32. Let us write 32 over here. The last pair after 14, 10 and 8, it is 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. 17, 5 and 4. So this is going to be your 22, 22 and 4. It is going to be 26. So let us write 26 over here. So we have made this grouping of the various frequencies. Now this was our first step. Okay. What we did in the beginning, this was the first column, second, third column, fourth column, fifth column, sixth column. How we proceeded? First make group of 2 to every time. Then leave one. पहले को छोड़ा बाकी के दोनों के ग्रुप बनाए ठीक है then after this year we are making group of 3 के ग्रुप्स बनाए then leave one make group of 3 every time then leave 2 frequencies दो frequency को छोड़ दिया और बाकी हमने 3 के ग्रुप्स बनाए यहाँ पर इस तरह से हमको करना है now what will be the next step after this see after this what we are doing we will be marking the highest frequency everywhere so what is the highest frequency here. Here, what is the highest frequency? 70. Mark it. What is the highest frequency here? 30. What is the highest frequency over here? सबसे highest कौन सा है? 28. Mark कर दो. What is the highest here? 42. Mark it. What is the highest over here? It is 40. Mark कर दिया. What is the highest over here? It is 38. We are marking the highest frequency everywhere. Okay. What we are doing here? Marking the highest frequency everywhere. Now what? We will be making analysis table. Analysis table is what? Here I am writing analysis table. So how to make this analysis table? See, first of all, the size you will be writing like this. Okay, size. Then here all these size 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everything is given, so we will be writing like this: 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, I am simply marking everywhere. Okay, let us just mark it. Draw it like this. Then here 10 for 10, then for 11, and then for 12. Fine. We won't be requiring that much. Now what do we do? See, the columns we are going to take it vertically. Vertical columns have been there, like first, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one, and then the sixth one. Okay, we will be taking all these columns vertically. Then let us try to solve this thing. But for that proper section should be same. And in the last part here, you are going to put total. Total you are going to write away. Okay, now how to solve it further? See, what is the highest here? In the first column, 17. 17 सबसे बड़ा है, so you come 17. In 17 is where? It is quite round. It is 17 there, which is the highest over here. So what is in front of it? It is 10. Value is 10. So 10 value is where? 10, 10, 10, 10. Here it is 10. 10 is here. So in the first column, 10 will be checked out. 10 को check out किया जाएगा. Okay. Then in the second one, come to the second one. 30. 30 is made up of what? 16 and 14. Two things. 16 and 14 के front में क्या 6 and 7. It is 6 and 7 written in front of it. So 6 and 7 in the second one we are going to mark 6 and 7. 6 and 7 को क्यों मार्क करेंगे? See, 30 किससे मिलके बना है? 16 and 14 से. उनके सामने क्या वैल्यूज है? 6 and 7. तो उसको अपन चेक आउट कर रहे हैं. We are checking out those boxes. Now what is highest over here? It is 28. ठीक है, तो 28 किससे मिलके बना है? अगेन टू नंबर से मिलके बना है. तो ये बना हुआ 28 मींस इन दोनों से मिलके 5 and 6. तो लेट अस मार्क 5 and 6. थर्ड हो गया. फोर्थ पे आते हैं. फोर्थ इज 42. 42 किससे मिलके बना हुआ है? 3 मींस 12, 16 and 14 इनसे मिलके बना हुआ है. 5, 6 and 7. 5, 6 and 7. तो ये 5, 6 and 7 हम यहाँ पर चेकआउट करते हैं. फोर्थ हो गया. कम टू द फिफ्थ वन. फिफ्थ वन इज 40. तो 40 में हमने कितने छोड़े थे ऊपर से? b1 और 3 3. मतलब कि 1 2 3. तो ये जो 3 है 16 14 10. इसके फ्रंट में क्या है? 6 7 8. तो 6 7 8 will be marking in the 6 7 8. Okay. Now what do you do? After this, here the 38 is highest. सबसे बड़ा है 38, highest है. तो 38 highest है, means इसके सामने किससे मिलके बना है? दो तो हमने छोड़ दिए थे फ्रीक्वेंसी, means 3 और 8 को छोड़ दिया था. 10, 12 और 16 से मिलके नहीं बना हुआ. ठीक है. 10, 12 और 16 के फ्रंट में क्या लिखा है? 4, 5 and 6. So 4, 5 and 6 will be marking there. 4, 5, 6. सिंपल. अब यहाँ पर हम इसकी टोटल करेंगे. यहाँ तो कुछ भी नहीं. Nothing, nothing. One tick is there. Here three ticks are there. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ticks are there. Here three ticks are there. Here one tick is there. Dash, one, dash, dash, dash. Nothing is there. So you can see that 5 is the highest over here. So what is in front of it? 6. 6 यानी कि ये this one here. ये जो size है, your x values, ये 6 will be your mode. So here we can say that mode is going to be your 6. This is how you are going to solve. Otherwise हम क्या करते हैं? It is telling like सबसे highest क्या होता है? By observation method 17 is highest. So in front of it 10 is there. Okay, तो 10 हमारा mode हो जाता है. But it is not the case. उसकी close number था 16. ओके, वो मोड उसके सामने वाला 6 निकल के आया. मतलब यहाँ पे क्या है? सी द थिंग इज वेरी सिंपल. इफ नंबर्स आर क्लोज, सो बाय ऑब्जर्वेशन मेथड यू कैन नॉट सॉल्व इट. यू हैव टू सॉल्व इट बाय द ग्रुपिंग मेथड. ठीक है. ग्रुपिंग मेथड यूज तब करना पड़ता है जब दो नंबर बहुत ही क्लोज हो फ्रीक्वेंसी में. उसके लिए करना पड़ता है आपको ग्रुपिंग मेथड. स्ट्रेट अवे यू कैन नॉट टेल 17 इन फ्रंट ऑफ इट. 10 इज 17 इज हाईएस्ट. 17 बड़ा है, उसके फ्रंट वाला ही मोड होगा. By observation method, then you may not get marks for it. Okay, so just go through it, this thing, the analysis table, and this is how you calculate the mode. After that, we will be doing this continuous series type of question also. Okay, that's all for today.